channel. In this episode we're going to be foraging for clams, oysters, and mussels. And afterwards we're going to cook them all at the state park. Yeah, the crab.
That crab, I literally was just walking and then I felt something sharp like stab me, bro.
Yeah.
And then I was like, what the f? I know I was about to pick that
Oh,
up.
okay.
I don't know if
yeah, I think that is. Let's see.
it did do something though. It's cute. Yeah, it's too like watery.
Yeah, it's alright. I just had to dig deep enough. Gooey duck or?
Yeah. Okay. Right here.
Oh, okay.
It's like less than 5 minutes, right?
Well
Yeah.
done.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Record.
amazing. I mean,
Oh, horse
you
neck.
gooey duck for like 30 minutes.
Because
Trying to
That's a
get
whole.
this one make the sand around it really loose. You
Yeah.
you can kind of pick it up right away.
Yeah, we need to make one of those. That is super cool. That is.
Oh, this is the oyster bed. As you can see, it's like, yeah, all you're doing is basically walking on nothing but oysters out here. There's a whole lot of them. They're all over the place. You just gotta find the right size that you want. Check them here. Big old like colony of hermit crabs. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's the biggest one right there. Wow. This cluster of oysters. I wonder why some of them are purple like that. Barnacles all over. Oh, little crab in there. Wow, I've never seen purple oysters before. These purple oyster shells. Get the barnacles off. That's a nice one. Here, harvesting oysters, it's required that you shell them out here. And then leave the shells. You just take the meat and put it in like a Ziploc bag or something. But as you can see, there's like a baby oyster here. Here's another one over here, and here's another one right here. And that's why they tell you, well, that's why they make it so you have to leave the shells here and just shuck it. 18 is the limit as of July 2022. Go. It's a good looking oyster right there. Sand shrimp or something there. Oh, look at that. That's a nice looking oyster. Yeah, that's a good sized oyster. Make sure you get the grit out though.
Yeah. Like what do you mean?
The sand and stuff. Try to get it out. So the tide and the wind, as you can see by my hair, started coming fast. Already, we're gonna share some with the family, but yeah, we'll definitely do a cook after this. We'll cook the clams, mussels, and what was the other thing? Oysters. Yeah. So yeah, well, stay tuned for that.
Salt. Oh, sorry.
That's soapy looking.
Dude, it's the clams. They like release whatever too when they
I hope
like.
there wasn't soap in that bucket.
No, I rinsed it and stuff, and I felt it. Like.
Oh.
No, but clams they like squirt out when they taste the actual salt or whatever.
Okay.
They get foamy and air bubbles and shit.
Sure, that's not soap, right?
I'm pretty sure it's not because I did check.
Okay.
Now you're worried.
Maybe we should.
And plus, I was like scrubbing it while the water and creating bubbles.
Maybe we should dump it out and then put more water in there.
Here, can you do that?
Yeah.
No, I really gotta go.
At this point right here, I lost audio, but we drove about half an hour down the road to get to Potlatch State Park, and we did that for a couple reasons. Over there, they had a bench that we could use, or a few benches and tables, and then we also gave the clams time to purge all the sand and whatnot in their shells. We started the cooking process by cutting up some scallions and lemongrass. We're gonna dice up some onions, regular onions.
The best I can.
Yeah, it should be fine. Doesn't have to be perfect. No.
No?
No. Yeah, go ahead.
I'm just small or big?
Big.
Big?
We can't eat it, yeah.
Half.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's get to the cooking. I'm now getting started. Cut up some garlic. Now chopping up some green onions. Not too high because we don't want the butter to burn. She's shredding up some garlic to finer pieces. Let that kind of simmer down. Brings out the flavors. What?
It went lower.
It's okay. Almost ready for throw the clams and stuff in there?
No.
Okay. What else you got to do to it then?
I like to season it. And make sure
yeah, that smells good.
Make sure I like the
Season it, salt and butter and whatnot. I mean salt and pepper.
Yeah.
With a little salt. Some sea salt.
I can't tell.
Seems fitting for seafood.
A little bit. Should I do garlic powder?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, yeah. Go ahead. Garlic powder.
Because we love garlic. And
This one, huh? Chili peppers. Pepper flakes.
oh, I have portobellos.
Oh, it's okay. Yes. What kind of wine is that? White wine, Pinot Grigio.
Bars. I upped it.
Yeah,
Just a
upped it,
tiny
so-
bit, but we don't want it super. And let that cook for a little bit.
So how come you don't put the clams in first before you?
Because you
Put
want
the
to
wine
make
in.
sure it tastes how you want it to taste.
No, I trust your taste buds. I can wait.
It's gonna taste it good.
How is it?
I think it's okay. Just need salt.
Sorry, it's kind of windy. Ooh, that's a lot of salt.
It's okay. I think I really needed it though. But I'll taste it again.
Yeah, you might have to drown that out with some wine.
Yeah. More wine the better.
Uh-huh.
I don't think it is.
Uh-huh. The sea salt's a lot saltier than the other stuff. How is it? Salty? See? Well, maybe we gotta pour some of it out, because just putting extra wine in there.
So add more butter too.
Yeah. We'll put the wine underneath.
Should we lower the?
Don't.
What?
Don't drop it. You just
I didn't. That one just dropped. Okay. And add this now?
Yeah, we're gonna add it. Is it all cooked?
And then cilantro. I like the stems.
Green onion.
Bit salt. This one isn't.
I think it's gonna sizzle.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
I'll just do this one. Yeah, now we can.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay.
It's just about done. Now we're about to eat. All the clams, all the clams are open, and so are the mussels.
Should we use the tubs to get the broth or not?
So here's where I lost the audio again on my camera. It was pretty good. The meal wasn't too salty when we dumped out some of the broth that had the excess salt. This will be it for the video. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe if you want to see more. Have a good day.